Welcome back to the channel. Today join us in the workshop and we've just taken delivery of a new set of rays. Let's take a closer look. So these particular wheels, they are 18 by 9.5 and they're on an offset of ET38. They are the Rays TE37 SL Black Edition 3s. Now, Black Edition 3, it makes it a limited edition. There's a small bit of engraving around here, slight different coloration around the centre there. And you'll see that it's also got a sticker pack, which again makes this the limited edition SL. SL also standard for super light. This wheel's 8.4 kilos. So again, it's really going to help with handling as well as the increased width of the tyre. Good looking wheel. Can't wait to get it built up. We're going to be putting them with the Michelin Pilot Sport 4s. It already feels quite a soft tyre, so I think these are going to be quite an easy fit, but we'll get them over to the machine now and get them built up. That's the wheels built up and inflated now. So we're going to head over to the balancer next, but before we get these wheels on, let me show you the OEM wheel that's on the balancer already. Now this is another reason why it's a good idea to convert over to the smaller wheels, because you increase the size of that sidewall there. With such a small sidewall, these wheels are so susceptible to pothole damage. Come and have a look. The wheels are built, balanced and ready to be fitted to the car now. The customer is due in with us in a couple of days' time where we'll find out what colour the car is, but with the wheel being such an iconic design, I'm sure it's going to look good whatever the case. Let us know what you think in the comments below. hold up on the job. I've just had to knock a new wheel stud into this one. So as I took the original wheel nuts off, this one's quite rough coming off. It looks like it's possibly been, in fact, there you go. You can see there's a very small indent on it, and that was making the new nuts quite rough going on. Obviously I didn't want to just run a new raised nut over that, so we've taken the disc off, knocked a new stud into there, and we're back to where we were a second ago. So I'll get the wheel on now and drop the car off the ramp. So there we have it, the Raise TE37 Super Light Black Edition Freeze on the FK8. The customer's over the moon with it. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and of course hit the like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.